It's Natalie and Jillian.
And today we are making DIY slime.
There's only 3 ingredients that you need, or not ingredients, but things, I would say. So it's glue,
Shaving cream.
and Tide, and I don't know, you can't use any other brand, or not brand, but like brand. I don't know. I tried it with Gain one time and it didn't work out, so
And
get
you
Tide.
could also, if you want, you could use food coloring if you want to make it a pretty color. Instead of
Pretty
just plain
color.
white. Or this will be blue, because Tide is blue. So let's just get started. So the first step you want to do is pour your glue in a bowl.
I mean, you can use as much glue as you want, or just use your 2 bottles. Doing it like that.
I'm trying to like get it all out.
So the next thing you have to do is add shaving cream. I'm not exactly sure why, but you do. You just, yeah. Okay, well actually, so it's not sticky when like when it actually forms, I guess. Okay, Natalie. There you go. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my food coloring now, just because I don't want it all over my hands.
And add a little at a time.
Yeah, because you could add too much.
Yeah. The same with the Tide.
Yeah. Definitely. Alright, and then you're just going to mix thoroughly. And then lastly, you're just going to add the Tide because, obviously.
But add a little at a time.
Yeah, add a little bit at a time because you do not want... You don't want a lot, and then it'll be like soapy, and then it's like really hard to fix. And when you do that, it'll start like forming. I don't know, it's weird.
I'm still mixing it.
I'm gonna add some Okay, anyways, so it'll eventually like start to form into goo. That was fail.
I love that sound.
I love it. It was like
So satisfying.
I'm
Wow, slimy.
YouTube are the luckiest people.
Oh,
You gassy? Did you eat some beans or
yeah,
something?
for real. Sounds like your dad.
So true.
That is true. That was DIY slime. It's so much fun, guys.
You should make it.
It's really actually kind of like addictive.
And if you want this much, we use 2.
Yeah, we
If
use
didn't
2
say
bottles.
that. I wonder what would happen if you used that one big bottle. You got one big bottle too. You know that one big one that you can use to refill.
Is it like at Costco or something?
I have no clue.
I joined the biggest.
We should get like 20 bottles of glue. And you can like stretch it like, we did this thing
Yeah.
where we like stretched it. Yeah. I'll insert a video of the last one we did. I think it has to be thicker.
Yeah, because this, like this one wasn't.
It's like breaking apart really easily.
Okay, so last video we did together, I got this book called Who Knew, and we were gonna start like doing it, like say something like at the end of our videos.
Yeah.
So
anyways, okay, I'm just gonna...
Fine, going forward, yeah?
That was it. That one? Okay. Tuna has a very strong smell and taste. As a result, many cats can become addicted to it. Veterinarians refer to them as tuna junkies.
Interesting.
Who knew?
Okay, so that was it for this video. I hope you liked it.
If you did, remember to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. And yeah,
Tell your friends about us. Because we're
just a small channel trying to make a living from it. Not really, but we're just.
this
I don't
is
know.
just for fun and like.
I think it'd be really cool though, like if we actually got big enough to go to like VidCon and stuff like that, and
And
meet
then, like, people would
subscribers.
be like, oh my gosh, it's really fun.
Yeah. Hey, what's up? Anyways, guys, yeah. Remember to tell your friends, whoever.
Sorry about all the disruptions in this video, Sebastian. We're
Yes,
not gonna have
Sebastian.
them in this room like that much.
Anyways, guys, we will see you next time. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
All right.
3,
Okay.
shut up.
2, 1. Hey guys, it's Natalie and Jillian.
And today we are going to make DIY glue. I don't know how to say it.
It might be slime.
DIY. Ready? Oh my gosh. Hear the thunder.
Goo.
Stop.
Oh, it's great. Okay.
Be quiet.
Okay. Who? Oh wait.
Ready?
Oh, go. That was a little delayed.
Okay, now like the